So you don't microwave a honey bun? Look at that, that's crazy. Holy shit! I made a noise. Oh! Alright guys, we're gonna microwave a dozen eggs. In the back of my head. Alright guys. Oh my gosh! Alright, mac and cheese without any water. Oh my god! Oh! Please follow me before I open this, really appreciate it. Oh! Oh! Hey, look! Oh! What happens when you microwave a bunch of expo marks? Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Looks like hopefully this doesn't blow up in my face. Follow me. God! Oh! That is actually so cool.